Hello everyone, welcome to the EVS class. Students, in the previous video, we have studied about super sense to smell, super sense to see and super sense to hear in animals. Now, we will study how animals change their sleeping or waking pattern to acclimatize or adjust with the harsh environmental condition. Let's begin with hibernation or winter sleep. There are some animals which are not comfortable in the winter season. So they become inactive or sleep throughout the winter season. Example of animals that undergo winter sleep are bear, bats, snakes, bees and lizard. Now let's move to estivation or summer sleep. Some animals are not comfortable during the summer season, so they become inactive and sleep throughout the summer season. Example of animals that undergo summer sleep are frog, earthworm, snail, tortoise and crocodile. Now you can look at the picture. This is a sloth and it sleeps 17 hours a day. Students, now we will learn how to calculate the sleep time. As you can see in the picture, there are circles. A single circle represents 24 hours. It has 12 sectors, means that each sector will represent 2 hours. Now let's begin to calculate the sleep time. Let's begin with first. You can see here there is one shaded portion. Means what will be the sleep time here? It will be 2 hours. Now next move to the second picture. There are 3 shaded portion. Means 3 into 2 because there are 3 sectors and each sector represents 2 hours. So the total sleeping time will be 6 hours. Similarly, for 6 shaded portion, it will be 12 hours, and for 9 shaded portion, it will be 18 hours. And when all the portions are shaded, it means all the 12 portions are shaded. So the sleep time will be 24 hours. I hope now you will easily able to calculate the sleep time of animals. Moving to the next, students, you have studied about so many animals and their super senses. Now we will study about tiger, the animal which is most alert among the animal kingdom. Tiger can see 6 times brighter in night than us. Tigers have sharp super sense of hearing. You know, they can even make out the difference between the rustling of leaves and movement of animals. Each tiger has its own area. Tiger marks its area with their urine and they can easily identify if some other tiger or other animal have tried to enter into their area by the smell of the urine. Tiger make different sounds for different person. Suppose they want to give an alarm call, they will make a different sound. Similarly, if they want to attract the other tigress, they will make a separate sound. The tiger's whisker, you can see here, are very sensitive and can sense the movement or vibration in the air. Students, till now we have studied about so many animals and their super senses. Moving to the next part of the chapter, we will study about the threats faced by the animals. Major threats faced by the animals are because of poaching. Poaching means killing or hunting the animal in an illegal way. Next is destruction of forest. Because of our selfishness, we disrupt forest and we never think of animals, how it will be harmful or how it will impact the life of wild animal. Similarly, construction of roads, dams or human settlement in the forest or wildlife area is big threat to animals. Forest fires is also a very important cause for or threat to the animals. Now, you might be thinking, what are the reasons of illegal poaching or why people are killing animals? Nowadays, many animals are killed and their body parts are sold. Let's see. Elephant, they are killed and their tusk is sold. Similarly, rhinoceros is killed for their horns. Snake, tiger and crocodile are killed for their skin. And musk deer is killed for the scent that is produced from their musk. Just now you have studied that because of human beings or the activities performed by the human beings, it is resulting threat to the animals. So it's our duty to protect our wildlife. To protect the animals, our government has made some forest as protected areas. Now the question might arise in your mind, what are protected areas? Actually, protected areas are particular area or a particular region of the forest where nobody can hunt or destroy the forest or jungle. Protected areas include national parks, biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuary. I think few of you might have visited the national park or wildlife sanctuaries. Students, now we will learn about some famous protected areas of India. You can look at the map and try to find out the various national parks. Let's begin with Jim Corbett National Park, which is situated in Uttarakhand. Next, Gir Forest National Park is situated in Gujarat. Next, Kanha National Park, it is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park situated in Assam. Chilka Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha. Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in Uttar Pradesh. Last but not the least, Periyar National Park in Kerala. I think all of you can locate this in the India map also. That's all for this chapter, students. We will now do some in-text question. Please look at the question. Try to pause the video for a few minutes and answer the following questions. So, here are the answers. I hope all of you understood how to calculate the sleep time in animals. Moving next. Thank you, students.